Good afternoon, after lunch. Paano pumasa sa final interview? Madali lang. Be authentic and then sell yourself. And then maipapayo ko lang na kapag pag sinasagutan mo, pag ang mga tanong or interview question for final interview, be yourself. Be authentic and don't be afraid na magkamali. Kasi yung mga hiring manager, dito nila ibabase yung i-gauge nila kung anong klaseng tao ka, employee ka. They will not hire kung gaano ka kagaling mag-English, kung gaano ka kagaling, but the way how you manage things and how you resolve problems in a manner na magbibigay ito ng positive result kahit na negative pa yung naging simula. Let's say for example, if you have conflict with your leaders, so always reach out your leaders or to the person na meron kayong conflict. At the end of the day, tell to your interviewers kung paano mo siya na-resolve in a positive way. Thanks guys. And then sa mga gusto mag-apply, it's still hiring pa rin. Just PM me on my Facebook, on my page, Payo ni Kuya Eman, or on my YouTube channel, Payo ni Kuya Eman, and then on my TikTok. Thanks!